You have a job, maybe even a well-paying one, but your paychecks never seem to stretch as far as you believe they should, and ends never quite seem to meet. And also, you know you should be saving more and spending less, but you never get to do either. You're hoping your financial fortunes will somehow change. Yet, in the meantime, the debts keep accumulating. Does this sound familiar? Instead of waiting for your situation to become better magically, it's time to take a closer look at all the things that you're doing that contribute to your financial woes. That's right, it might actually be your own fault that you're always broke. So then, you should be accountable for your situation because you are responsible for it. Becoming wealthy, obtaining financial success, and living life on your own terms are all things that most of us want for ourselves when we envision our futures. However, the reality is many will never actually realize their dreams of becoming financially successful, but not because they can't. Anyone with the right mindset and actions can achieve it. Yet, people behave in ways that don't promote their financial success, often without realizing it. They sabotage their financial futures, ensuring they remain broke pretty much forever. To break the cycle of being broke, you must be aware of the habits preventing you from building wealth in the first place. And with that said, here are the top 10 reasons why you are broke. Number 10. You spend more than you earn. Spending more than you earn is one of the biggest reasons why people stay broke and a direct result of not budgeting. This means that you can't save, and it also means you're more likely to be overextended and take on debt. Moreover, you feel like you're always running out of cash. The solution to this is monitoring your spending and making your budget your best friend. If you haven't experienced success in the past, perhaps you haven't found a budgeting method that works well for you. Budgeting is not one size fits all, and you're more likely to succeed if you use a plan that works best for you. You have to be honest with yourself. Make a list titled, "Why I'm Broke," and list what you're spending your hard-earned money on. This way, you can work on your money mindset, develop a budget, and create your future financial plan. Number 9. Lacking clearly defined financial goals. Financial goals are the starting point for every decision you make about your cash. In other words, you are guiding your future financial decisions when you set financial goals. They offer you a financial direction and a sense of purpose. In addition, without them, your financial life will not have accountability. For instance, if you decide you want to save $10,000 this year, you have to scrutinize every spending decision you make between now and then against the following question: will this aid or hinder your efforts to save $10,000? Honestly, a simple question like that makes the difference between impulse spending and frugal living. In fact, we would go further to say that little questions like that can be the difference between being broke or wealthy. Number 8. Your fixed expenses are too high. For any budget, recurring expenses can be a pain point. Spending too much on these repeating costs will haunt you month after month. This includes essential living expenses like car payments, rent, or even your phone bill. Other fixed expenses are more optional, like entertainment subscriptions or gym memberships. To fix this, review your account statements to identify recurring expenses and think about how to lower your bills. There may be memberships or subscription services you don't require and could cancel. In addition, you can call your phone or cable company and request discounts. Also, look for lower car insurance rates. Number 7. You don't save for emergencies. It's not a matter of if a financial emergency will happen, it's just a matter of when. Think about it logically, especially if you're a homeowner. In 30 years, do you think anything will happen that needs your immediate financial attention? Perhaps a new roof, a car tire, or heaven forbid, a medical scare. Regardless, things come up. A small emergency can quickly become a significant emergency and leave you penniless. So, no matter what the financial crisis might be, it's crucial always to have your finances prepared for them, or at least weather the storm. Number 6. You lack motivation. Far too many people globally sit around saying, "I wish I were rich. It'd be nice if we had a pay raise," and all the other garbage that they just expect to come to them. You don't just wake up one day and find someone has deposited a considerable sum of money into your bank account. Wealthy individuals in this world aren't wishing for things and just hoping they'll bump into some money. Instead, they spend less time wishing and more time doing. If you really want something, you have to go out and put your heart and soul into it. Don't just think that someone kind will just come along and offer you what you want. Number 5. Sleep is your best friend. If you really want to be wealthy and successful but still sleep for more than 8 hours, you're wasting valuable time. 6 to 7 hours of sleep is perfectly fine. But if you're not getting up early enough in the mornings, you could be missing opportunities to make cash or improve upon yourself. When you go to sleep tonight, try placing your alarm clock next to your bedroom door and set it to go off an hour earlier than usual. When you get up to turn that irritating sound off, you'll be out of bed and facing your bedroom door. Now all you have to do is march out the door, make yourself a cup of coffee, and have an extra hour of working on yourself. The laziest thing you can do is turn off that alarm, turn around, and go back into your comfortable bed. Number 4. You can't say no. Saying yes to everything is being kind, but not always beneficial. Learning to say no is crucial. If your kid is crying for a toy and you get a toy for them, they'll cry again for more toys. Don't let it become a bad habit and learn to say no. If you're kind to everyone at your workplace, other employees will take you for granted and get their job done. Look for good ways to say no to most things that don't matter in your life. Number 3, you have poor credit. The main disadvantages of having poor credit is you're less likely to get approved for new credit, and if you do, lenders will probably charge more to borrow from them. With higher interest rates, your debt will cost more and have elevated monthly payments. Still, the downside of poor credit doesn't stop there. You're more likely to be charged security deposits for utility services, and poor credit history can affect your chances of getting a job offer, as most employers include credit checks in their hiring process. Number 2, your money is a mess. Disorganized finances are another common issue, and it can come with a steep price. If you lose track of your bank account balances, you can easily incur overdraft or bounce check fees. And also, mixing up bill deadlines can lead to late fees or missed payments. You could even pay monthly fees for checking accounts you forgot about or don't have to use. The solution is to get your financial house in order. Work your way through all your accounts and bills to make them easier to monitor and manage. Download your bank's mobile app and get it set up to manage your cash on the go, or consider using a budget app like Mint. Number 1, you have bad habits. You drink, you smoke, you like snacks, and you don't run unless someone's chasing you. So perhaps your health isn't great, but at least you're having fun, right? Chances are, though, your finances aren't healthy either, because bad habits are a significant financial drain, and there's nothing good about that. However, if you give up those bad habits, you and your wallet will be healthier. Consider a pack of cigarettes might cost you $6. You'll spend about $2,200 a year on a pack-a-day smoking habit. According to the American Cancer Society, every pack comes with $35 in health-related costs. If you smoke a pack daily, that's an extra $12,775 a year. As for alcohol, even moderate drinking counts. Just 2 glasses of wine daily cost you more than $1,000 a year, and that calculation is based on sipping the cheap stuff at home. If you prefer Bordeaux at a bar, you're paying way more. Well, now you know the 10 reasons why you are broke. If you are broke, what do you think the primary reason is? Let us know in the comments section. We believe you enjoyed our video, so be sure to give us a thumbs up and share it. And also, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification to get notified when we upload new and interesting content. And until next time, goodbye.